Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a beautiful booklet in Canva, even if you've never done it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to put together a polished, professional-looking booklet, but you'll also have some tips for customizing it and saving yourself a ton of time in the process. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's a super user-friendly website where you can design all kinds of creative projects. Just open up your browser, go to canva.com and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one for free. This is your starting point, sort of like entering your digital art studio where all the tools you need are right at your fingertips. Next up, once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the purple Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Canva lets you choose from all kinds of different project types, but because we're making a booklet today, you'll want to start typing booklet into the search bar that appears. The moment you start typing, you'll notice that Canva gives you a few options, so just make sure you select booklet from the list. And just like that, you're opening up a blank canvas that's exactly the right size and format for a booklet. Now here comes the really fun part, picking out a template. Canva is packed with hundreds of beautiful pre-designed booklet templates ranging from minimal and modern to colorful and bold. Scroll through and find one that fits the vibe you're going for. Maybe it's for a school project, maybe a business portfolio, or even a family photo album. There's something in there for everyone. Click on a template you like and it'll automatically open up for you. Once your template is loaded, it's time to make it your own. This is where you get to edit all the text. You can double-click on any headline or paragraph and type in exactly what you want. Swap out the placeholder images for your own photos or illustrations by either uploading them from your computer or exploring Canva's huge library of free elements. Try changing the fonts and colors to match your personal style or brand. You can do this right from the toolbar at the top. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Think of the template as your base, kind of like a recipe you can tweak and spice up however you like. If you want to add a bit more flair, play around with shapes, icons, or decorative lines. And remember, you can always add or duplicate pages, move sections around, or resize elements. There's no right or wrong, just what suits your needs. Here's a little tip. Using the template as your starting point makes the whole booklet creation process so much faster and more organized. Instead of staring at a blank page and wondering where to begin, you've already got a solid structure. You'll find that once the initial layout is set, it's so much easier and honestly a lot more fun to personalize everything and really make it shine. And that's really all there is to it. Once you're happy with your design, just download your booklet as a PDF or whatever format you need, and you're ready to print or share. Good luck making your booklet. I know it's going to look awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own booklet designs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.